Hi guys, today we're going to show you the carbon style cover for the center display in our Volvo XC40. It gets on top of the original trim like this and will protect the trim from scratches. Besides that, it will add this carbon fiber touch to the vehicle. It matches our trim precisely, and in the back it has 3M tape which will hold it in place. Before you install it, you have to use alcohol to clean the surface. So wipe off the existing trim from the dirt and grease. Remove the protective film. Apply it on top and apply some pressure to make sure that all film bonds with the surface. This is how our end result looks like. You still have access to the screen, you can do it without any issues, and you have access to the button as well. Again guys, this is the protective cover from Cartrimhome. I will leave you link in the description in case if you need one. And also guys, actually I'll show you another small carbon fiber touch for your vehicle, which will complement our new carbon style cover. These two guys simply go on top of our air vents, like this. Actually this one. So one will go right here and the second one will go on the other side. And as I said guys, these two will complement our main cover. I will leave the link for both products in the description. If you guys like them, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.